Hello.
Hello.
Such a pleasure to be here. So my boyfriend is a really, really talented businessman, but it's really difficult to get him to a spiritual event. But before I left this morning, he said, I need you to ask the guru this.
Yes.
So I'm going to ask the question for him. So he wanted to know why you felt that so much of the world is in turmoil right now, and what could us people that aren't in touch with the politicians, the governments, what should we be doing to make this a better world right now? Thank you.
Absolutely, absolutely. We think just the politicians will be able to make a big impact on society. If you talk to politicians, they feel helpless. They see the people who are like that, what we can do, you go and tell the people. Each one of us have some power with us. Our thoughts are powerful, right? So our intentions are powerful. So we should take up the stand. I stand for peace. Of course, we all, but it is somewhere hidden in our subconscious mind. Bring it to your conscious awareness. Say, I stand for peace, number one. And then let me see what all I can do. See, today, people are getting depressed and suicidal. Can you imagine 400 doctors in this country committed suicide in this year? It's unbelievable. People are supposed to save lives, taking their life away. This is happening. On the other side, there is aggression. At the drop of a hat, people are ready to fight and take the gun and shoot. See what's happening. In this year, more than 200 incidences of shooting. It breaks our heart to see so many parents weeping in Texas. So we need to take some stand that people don't swing to these extremes, and let us create awareness for non-violence. And let us reach out to all those sad faces and say, hey, come on, why are you sad? What is the problem? Here is a solution. There is no problem that we cannot resolve through dialogue, through counseling, through techniques. When you teach them proper techniques of breathing, people come out of this depression. Tell your boyfriend it is possible. You stand for peace and you talk about it to everyone around you.
That's right. I love that.